Hello everybody, today we are playing I Am Cat VR. This is probably a great game to play. It's really fun. It's not free, sadly. It's a great game. And I've already played it a little bit, but I decided I was going to go ahead and make a video on it. So, a couple things to catch up on. Merry Christmas. And thank you guys for 120 subscribers. That's all I'm going to say. So, this is I Am Cat. Basically, your goal as a cat is to do like missions and stuff, but I just like to trash the house. So we're gonna pick this plate up and we're gonna yeet it. There we go. See, it's gonna be broken, and then we're gonna run. We're going to climb up this wall. Do 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 do. And then we're going to go knock over Granny and hope we can get her teeth out. Come here, Granny. There we go. Her teeth did not fall out. But I'll take your glasses, though. Crap, I did not mean to claw you, Granny. I'm sorry. Give me your glasses. We're gonna take these glasses. Okay, wait, she's awake. Put them right there. Put them right there. Go! Climb up the wall! Climb up the wall! Do 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 do.
Yes, it's nice. You've got to for me.
I got the wall. Okay, so we're gonna take Granny's glasses. See, this right here says fridge. Not that fridge, but... crap. Ooh! This fridge. So, let's see. Let's just... see if it's open. Oh, yes, it is open. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna take out potatoes. Carefully. Not so carefully. Cucumbers. You guys know how the whole cats ate cucumbers thing? Yeah. Okay, let's see. I want to throw this box of carrots at Granny for some reason. Here, we're just gonna go. Oh! Oh, no, get out of my mouth. Ew. Hate carrots. Okay, now we're just gonna throw all those extra foods out of here. Lord knows where all this is going. But we're gonna make food with it here in a minute. Okay, so we're gonna put a cucumber in there. Get out of here. And then we need Granny's glasses. So we're gonna grab Granny's glasses. See, can these go? Oh my gosh, these can't go in my mouth. Get out of my mouth. Get out of my mouth. Stay there. Okay. So we're gonna store all of our good loot is in that fridge. So let's just go ahead and switch that back up. Okay, now see, we need to go to this table and we need to grab a knife. See, so we're just gonna like do 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 do. Stupid Granny. Oh yeah, knock all this off the shelf. Hi. Huh. Hiya. There's a fish up there. I actually never knew that there was a fish up there. I mean, I guess I literally just did get this game like an hour ago, so. And then, wait, no, crap. Not what I wanted to do. So we need one pepper. Rest of you, get on the floor. Crap. Get on the floor. Thank you. See, we throw that up there? No, we can't. This is not good. In my mouth you go. And then we need to kind of go over here and run from Granny. Oh crap. Where is Granny? Oh, she's over there, but she can't get to me. Dumb Granny. Granny. Okay, let's see. So I need one of you. Need you over there. And then you guys can get yourselves out of here later. I said one potato, not all of you. Yeah, so this is about what we need. And then a pepper. And then we also need a hot dog. So we're gonna go real, just like this. Hot dog. Put it in my mouth. Real. Okay, and there you go. Actually, I probably need to cut that up first. I'm gonna see if I even can cut things up. So we're gonna take the hot dog. We're gonna put it in my mouth. We're gonna go to this table. I want to be careful with this plate. Don't want to break it. Okay, we're gonna take the knife. Give me the knife. The hot dog. So we can't cut things. Sadly. That's unfortunate. What are those noises, Granny? Yeah, see, we can't cut things. See, it's not... I'm angry now. I'm gonna hit Granny with this glass bottle. Here, wait, I'm just gonna, like, break the rest of this. And here, Granny, you want some? I just missed. Frisbee. Oh crap. Oh crap. No! I just got banged. Okay, well, I just got banged. That's depressing. She banged me with a skillet, frying pan, whatever, it's the same thing. So, since she hit me with that, I'm going to break her very expensive vase. I didn't really break it, but I don't know what these things are, but they're on the floor now. And then, oh, we got a pair of Granny's glasses. Wonderful. Hi, Granny. Hold on, Granny. Your current pair of glasses is ugly. So, hold on. I'm just gonna help you, and I'm gonna take these. Thanks. Get them out of here. And then, see, we need to go to Granny's desk. And we're gonna get these purple ones. Okay, first, we're gonna smack Granny with a pillow first. Oh, there goes her teeth. Okay, hold on. We need to get the glasses on first. Okay, wait, she's already back up. Okay, she's down, she's down. Grab the glasses in my mouth. Thank you. And then we're just gonna, like... Okay, there's the glasses. And then, wait, can we get her teeth back in her mouth? Probably not, but... Oh, yeah, we can. Alright, time to go. Whoop! Up here we go. Alright, let's see. On the floor you go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Let's see, what else can we find? Kitty. It's me. Real. Wait. No, crap. I want to make a hole in her couch. Hold on. Boing. Quick, while she's not looking. Make a hole in the couch. She see anything? If I hide the remote, she can't do anything about it. See, hold on. Uh-oh. There goes Granny. See, so wait, let's climb up here. And then, where did all my food go? Dude, I think everything, like, refreshed. So her old pair of glasses isn't in there anymore. I don't know what happened. I think I trashed the place so much that it had to reset. Well, wait, what's over here? Stop. I want it. Wait, is this volume? Wait, what's the volume? Get on the floor. Ooh, yeah, Granny's nice cactus and her vase pot. It's on the floor now, sorry. Ooh, what kind of cat food? Food! I love food. Wait, she's coming for me. Hold up. Scale the window. There we go.
Where's that rascal? You came for me.
Yeah, get on the floor, Granny. Stay there! If you stand back up, I'm gonna beat you with this thing. Crap.
Where's that
Oh crap,
rascal?
this ain't good. This is not good. This is not good. Whee! Hey Granny, you want some fish food?
Where's that? You came for me.
Knockout. See, I wanna go upstairs with this. Crap. I need that fish food. Come here, fishy food. So I'm gonna make food, and next time I die is when this video ends. So I'm gonna go ahead and say it now, because Lord knows when I'm gonna die. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe if you want to see more of this. I need you. Come here. I need you. Yeah, B-Duck's calling me. So, whenever I die, is whenever this video ends, basically. So, hold on, I need that thing. Cat food. Cat food. I got the cat food. Wait. Okay, it's open, so we have to be careful. Boing. Let's see. No, that's the opening, right? Pick it up like that. Where did it go? Okay, hold on. I'm stuck. Okay, wait. Here we go. Wait, I'm just gonna go mess with Granny. Hold on, I'll just like mess with Granny. Wait, can I knock this over? No, I can't. Alright, so Granny, please stop making those noises, please. I don't like it. Here, wait. Bye, Granny.
You.
Granny, I don't like you anymore.
For me.
You didn't feed me enough. I don't like you. Bye, Granny. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't like this.
You've got to for me.
Bye, kitty.
As a rascal. You've got to for me.
I'm just literally knocking everything down. You don't feed me enough! I don't like you!
You'll be far to for me.
Wait, the basketball. Wait, no. Wait, yeah. Okay, wait, I want the basketball. I want to see if I can... Okay, wait, and then we're gonna go take this. And we're gonna go hit Granny with it. Bye, Granny. Smash this vase on your head. Wait, have your teeth fallen out? No. I want your teeth. Wow, that's a lovely mouth you got there. I want to go feed her something. Wait, what can I feed her? Okay, wait, we still have more to knock down. Knock the toaster down. Take this thing. Take the cat plate.
You've got to for me.
We definitely don't need that. I just knocked her teeth out with a plate. That's embarrassing. Okay, and then we're gonna run the sink. We're gonna take all these plates and we're gonna put them in the sink after they're broken.
You
Wait,
okay?
I'm laggy! No! No! I just knocked her down. Oh my goodness, and I'm stuck. There we go. B-Dog, I'm sorry if you're watching this, but the time that you were calling me, I'm in here making a video.
You've got to for me.
Guess what? I got a frying pan too. Wait. Cat! Sleep with your frying pan. I don't need it. I'm gonna knock her out again, and then I'm gonna feed her a whole cucumber.
You okay?
That was a clean knockout. Yep, there we go. There we go. And then we're gonna go. See, chew, 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 chew. Run, 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 run. Climb on the shelf. Climb to the shelf. Whoop! I'm stuck. Okay, this is not good. I see more shelves to go knock stuff over. Bink. Run away! Run away!
Open the seal.
I made it on the bookshelf and I'm knocking everything
for
over.
me.
0426? What is 0426? I know there's actually a meaning in this game, but what is 0426? I kind of trashed her computer a little bit. Wait. What is this? Oh no. Ah!